And this is showing what happens with a catalyst. What a catalyst does is it takes the same chemical reactions and it simply allows the reaching of this transition state, the state that's partway between reactants and products, using an input of less energy than is required without the catalyst. And when you have less energy, it means that things can happen at lower temperatures. It means that also that things can happen much more quickly. And what catalysts do is they both allow reactions to occur under conditions where the reactions otherwise wouldn't occur, and they also speed up reactions. But otherwise, this is the same thing. You've got the reactants. They're going through some kind of transition state. You end up with the products. Energy comes out of the system. There's more energy needed to get the reaction started without a catalyst than there is with a catalyst. But they had this array of trash cans. And you can see each of the trash can has a different size or shape hole in it. I have no idea. It doesn't say there's any reason to have a different size or shape hole. One of them doesn't even have any block at all. But anyway, they've got that. And it occurred to me that enzymes, which remember are the catalysts you see in our body, enzymes have a high level of specificity. They're only able to act on certain kinds of chemicals, and they convert them in certain ways. And in a sense, each of these trash cans has a different specificity. So this is the trash can for relatively small things, and this is the trash can for slightly larger round things. This is the trash can for yet larger round things. And if you're throwing out a box, if you happen to come to this rest area and you want to throw out a box, that would be the trash can you put it in, right? And I suppose if you were trying to dispose of a dead body. So anyway, these trash cans are indicating specificity, sort of. And specificity is really important in terms of what enzymes are all about, because what you are is based upon the chemical reactions that happen in your body. And the chemical reactions that happen in your body really, for the most part, only happen because you have catalysts. And the catalysts we have are enzymes, and enzymes have specificity. They can only act on a very specific subset of chemicals and convert them into other types of chemicals. So this is the basics of chemistry and biochemistry. So in chemistry, we talk of reactants and products. And typically, we aren't talking about enzymes, certainly, although catalysts find their way into chemistry. An uncatalyzed reaction tends to be slower, requires higher temperature, and might have a lower specificity. Often it does. But when we're talking about enzymes, suddenly our reactants instead are called substrates. We still use the word product. And when you have an enzymatically catalyzed reaction, the reaction tends to be faster. It tends to occur at lower temperatures, such as the temperature of our bodies. And there tends to be a high specificity. So only specific kinds of reactions can occur in your body. And they can occur at all because, in fact, we've got enzymes.